Got the float in the shop, need to do a little bit of work on it. And figured it'd be a good time to do a little review on getting it sandblasted and galvanized. It's been about 2 years since we had it done, so figured I'd do a little overview. The deck boards that we put on were red oak, and they were green when we put them on, and they have shrunk a lot. Like, there was no gaps in these. We had to pound that one in with a sledgehammer. And they've dried out so much. Let me show you here. They're all loose now. So I gotta crawl under with the impact and tighten them all. Now I'm hoping the heads of these don't spin because they're carriage bolts. I was gonna hit them all with a sledgehammer first. I got a little bit of wiring work to do underneath. Noticed the other day that all 3 of these lights were out and the license plate light. Quick look underneath. Something's been chewing on that, and there's strands of copper hanging out, so that's not cool. I wonder what chewed that. That chunk of wire replaced. That should be all right now. Well, that was the ticket. One of those little red lights is burned out, but other than that, I can put that back together. So for the underneath of this trailer, it's looking not too bad. Like, there is a bit of rust showing through, but it was pretty rusty under here before it got sandblasted. But I don't know, it's probably not gonna rot out. That's a huge I-beam. But anything that got painted has definitely rusted a lot more than the galvanized. We did undercoat it. I'd like to pressure wash the whole bottom of the frame and do it again. These cross members up here, they've got this bit of white, kind of scaly stuff on it, but no rust, which is good, and used all galvanized fasteners. They don't look really rusted either. Like, these clamps were just mild steel, and these screws, and they have surface rust on it. We did use it in the winter. Those rims are rusting, which is really too bad. Not terrible. But the galvanizing is holding up well. I would definitely do that again compared to just sandblasting and painting something. And the floats worked well, other than a couple little issues here and there. I'll have to get those deck boards tightened up, but 2 years, still going strong. Getting all these boards slid ahead, loosening them all first. Maeve's first time in the shop. Ian's moving in. There, finally got all the deck boards tight, got all the lights working. Nice.